What's next is the cellophane. So I've got this big old piece of cellophane, and I want 6" by 6" squares. So you get out your little ruler. There we go. And you want to do 6" by 6". So put a little guy down here and use the scissors. And as you can see, this stuff cuts really easy. They don't have to be exact. These are just approximate. So if it's not quite 6 inches, or if you're just a hair, don't worry about it. It's just, who's going to measure these things when they're all crumpled up? So, and then another 6" this way. And once you have one, then you can use it to measure all the others. It's really nice. I have to tell you, these things go for a ton of money. You can make them for, I don't know, you get most of your stuff at the dollar store. A roll of cellophane will last for at least 2 arrangements for $1. They cost probably less than $10 to make one. If you're really frugal, you can make them for about $6 or $7, especially if you use leftover stuff. So, but they sell for $25, $30, so definitely good to make your own. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these and I'm going to fold them in half and in half again. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to put a little cut here. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But the reason I do it is because it is really hard to get to poke a hole with this through cellophane. You're liable to stab yourself. So trying to poke a hole like this is not so easy. Okay, try to push it through, it's not so easy. So I just pop a hole like that. Now I have a hole. Okay, you want to give yourself 1 inch or 2. Just hold the cellophane. You want the pointy end at the top of the cellophane. Just kind of pull it up like that. Here's where I poked it through, and I'm just going to twist it. Okay? I just took it and twisted it. That's all I did. Then I take the floral tape. Now remember, you have to pull it to activate the sticky stuff. And then I just put it on where I twisted it and go around. Okay? And then down the skewer. And you can do a ton of these up ahead of time and just have them ready. That's what I did. You can see them all back there. I got 1 million of them. Okay? So you want to do a bunch of these. I did 16 of the patterned one and 17 of the solid ones because I like to mix pattern and solid together in my bouquet. You don't have to, but I like to do that. Okay. So make a bunch of those. Now let me show you how to make the tulip while I've got it. So a tulip is done with the skewer, and you've got your whatever color tulip you want to make. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're actually going to skewer, put it face down, and skewer it like so. Okay. Then you take the other one, put it on top. Take the cellophane, okay, and then you're just going to wrap it. Pull it down. Just pull it down. Smooth it down like so, okay, and then twist. And that's going to make like a tulip. And then again, you take your tape, okay, and you're just going to keep wrapping. Now with the tulips, I think I got a little crooked, didn't he? With the tulips, you can actually add a little leaf. So if you have a green candy, which I don't have, or if you have some silk leaves, which I do have, you can take one of these and put it on. And this makes a tulip. So if you're doing an Easter bouquet for somebody, this works out for a bunch of tulips. Okay? So there we have that. So there we have tulips. So you can do a whole bouquet of tulips.